This was my first one by the company. Gives you, it's a little bit more coverage than the other two, so just like with the overall cup and just the material itself, but same quality all the way through for these ones. They all feel like the same softness, and then same with the Underwire. I haven't had any digging with this one either. Sorry, I don't know why I have hiccups. It's got kind of like a V cut here too, which for me, I feel like just makes it sit really flattering. I'm not sure. That's something I haven't noticed in other bras, but I don't know, maybe it's a thing. Specifically, I noticed it on this one though. It just seems like it stays in place better. So, love that. Let's just open this up. Anything else? Yeah, they called it the U-shaped back. Take weight off your shoulders. Okay, apparently it helps with that as well. But yeah, straps are adjustable, so super cute. Band too. Let me just like show the level of stretchiness there too. And then just like other bras, you're gonna have the 3 class sizes to choose from. So you're golden. Okay.